The crew of Southwest Airlines Flight WN2504 initiated a go-around when a business jet entered the runway without authorization at Chicago Midway Airport.
560 negative. Cross runway 31 left. Hold short runway 31 center.
Cross 31 left, hold short 31 center, flex jet 560.
That was 769. Cross runway 2 to right, 2 to left. Take hotel all the way down to the end. Left turn onto Tango into Bravo 12.
All right, we'll cross the 2 left on hotel. Hotel all the way Southwest 769.
Southwest 20.
Southwest 2504 going around.
2504, roger that, climb maintain 3000.
Southwest 2504 up to 3000. Flight jet 560, hold your position there.
Hold position, flight jet 560.
Flight jet 560, continue across the hold short to hotel.
Cross hold short hotel, flight jet 560.
Flight jet 560, your instructions are to hold short of runway 31 center.
So 2504, one able turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, Southwest 2504. Flight jet 560, hold right there, sir. Don't move.
Hold position 560.
That's Tower Southwest 2504. How'd that happen?
So 2504, climbing 3000. Contact Chicago approach 128.2.
Flight jet 560.